Hello, everybody. Long time no see. The last clip what you see, I was arrived in Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, and there I took a rest day. And June the 2nd, I start again to my hike entering Spain. Went very good. I came to Roncesvalles, the next stop Zubiri, and go so on. Then I passed Pamplona, Puente la Reina, and then I came in Estella, and boom, it happens. I don't feel well. The next morning, I don't feel very good, so maybe I'm gonna check it, and I checked it, so I have corona, and so I take a cab to came to Logroño to sit in a bigger city for emergency, and so I was 2 days in a hotel, and now I'm 2 days in a little apartment. But since yesterday, I'm feeling better. First 2-3 days was not so good, but since yesterday it's going good. So it means tomorrow it will be continued. So tomorrow I take a cab back to Estella, and then I will start hike again. Hopefully it's going better. I hear about other people that Corona is going on the way. So the next days I stay in hotels for safety. But we will see. For the rest, everything is okay, but just those 3 days was not so good. Had fever, coughing, pain in my throat, so was not a good feeling. But now it's good again, and back on track. What you're gonna see in the pictures are the last days, and what comes next. See you the next time. So, bye bye, back on track. Bye bye.